In the orchard where the trees sway, underneath the sun's warm ray, with my pets and birds in play. A simple life day by day. Habibi, oh, my Habibi, oh, with this, oh, Habibi, find peace. The rustling leaves never cease. With my pets and birds love increase. In this haven, world is relief.
Welcome to Afsan Farm Media Production, an oasis of tranquility nestled in the heart of California. Our farm is not just a production center. It's a sanctuary where we craft healthy and easy-to-cook meals using the freshest natural ingredients from our farm kitchen. Our mission is simple but powerful: to bring peace of mind to individuals weary of the demands of bustling city life.